Hi everyone, it's Julie from Live for Art here, and today I'm doing a straight pour. I haven't done one for ages, but I'm on a mission to do 100 different types of pours in 100 days, so trying all sorts of techniques. So I'm just using some leftover paint from a class, so just scraping out all the mix of different colours, and here we go. So with the straight pour, you're just basically pouring it. It's really interesting to see what the how the paint comes and the sort of fingers that it pours. As you can see, I put more of the green in there, partly because I had more of it, but I also know that whatever those outer colours are, they get rolled over often by the other colours and you lose them anyway. So I just thought it was a good use of that dominant colour paint. It looks like I'm doing a little bit of a jiggle just at the end, which I probably didn't really need to do. There's enough movement and pattern happening just naturally, and I ended up straightening that up and making it more into the curve anyway, so it was a little bit unnecessary. So the paint consistency here is probably what I'd call sort of medium. It's not as thick as some like a cells or perhaps a ring pour, but it's also not thin like a Dutch pour or swipe. So it's a fairly medium consistency. I'm trying to think what style the paint would have come from. Can't remember which class this was that we had. I used the leftover paint from, but I think the pouring medium is really just floetrol. It could have a little bit of PVA in it, but I think it's mostly floetrol and paint. And at this stage I'm a little bit concerned that I don't have enough paint for the canvas, so I'm trying to not lose any unnecessary paint, such as by making the corner catcher with my hand. It was great doing a straight pour, and I must do more of them. I really like the patterns that are created. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.